Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my channel is unboxings. I also like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review food here in the state of Ohio, also the surrounding states, and just kind of all over the world. Ohio does get quite a bit of attention just because I live here, but I absolutely love to review food around the world. Oh, and hauls. I like to do hauls. Anyway, today we have for you Tribe Beauty Box. And again, I don't remember how much this costs. I think it's around $25, but I will put it on the screen when I look it up. And if I have a link for you to sign up with, I will put it down below. So let's go ahead and open this up. So I open it up, and this is what I see. Oh, and this is the box for April, if I didn't say that. I can't remember if I said that or not. So here you just have all the products that are in your box and the prices. And then in here you have a little bit of whatever those things are called, popcorn things. Anyway, let's dig on in. So the first thing I am pulling out here is a Rodial Glamo Brow Dark Ash Brown. And this is what this looks like. I am not going to swatch this because dark ash brown is not my color. But this is what it looks like. It has a spoolie on this end, and then it's just the product is on that end. Yeah, that's gonna be too dark for me. I usually wear blonde or very, very light brown, so I will pass that along. This is $26. The next thing I am pulling out is a beauty blender in the color blue. I'm getting reflection from my window. Or is that, I guess it's like an aqua color. And this beauty blender is $20. So I will probably keep that. I have never actually used a real beauty blender. I have the pink one from, I don't remember. So the next thing I am pulling out of here is the Sexy Mama Anti-Shine Translucent Powder. And that is that. If I open it up here, it just looks like powder. I will probably pass that along. I would hate to use this and not like it, and I haven't heard a lot about it. I am in my 40s, so for me, I found that really fine milled powder is what works the best for my skin. You know, it makes my makeup look nice. I don't look dry and crepey. The Laura Mercier fine milled powder is what I like to use. And I'm very old school in the fact that once I find a powder or a foundation, I just kind of stick with that. I don't venture out for a lot of powders or a lot of different foundations just because what works for me is what I tend to stick with. You know, over the last 20 years, I've used 2 powders and I've used 2 foundations, and it's what works for me. But you know, I wouldn't want to like dip into this and then find that it doesn't work for me, because I am in my 40s and you know, I really like the way the Laura Mercier powder looks on my skin. So With that being said, that retails for $20. And the next thing I am finding in here is the Manizer Sisters. And so we have Mary Luminizer, we have Cindy Luminizer, and we have Betty Luminizer. I actually have the full-sized Mary Luminizer, and it is one of my favorite highlighters. This retails for $28. Ooh, this is really in there tight. There we go. So let's take a peek at these. I will probably pass these along. So I'm not going to swatch those either. Here's the Mary Luminizer. I absolutely love this highlighter, but this is just way too dark for me, and I mean, I don't know. That would be pretty too, I guess. It's pretty pink. I don't know. Maybe I will keep this. We'll see. I'll keep it. And what did I say? Oh, and that was $28. And the last thing that I am finding in here is a lip color palette. And I am definitely not opening this. I will definitely pass this along. I am assuming these are the colors that are in here. But I don't reach for a lip palette. I reach for lipsticks that are in the bullet. So this is worth $50. That's steep. Okie dokie. Anyway, I will probably pass this along just because I mean, I don't know. I've just never used a lip palette. I want something that I can throw in my purse and move on. I mean, I think this would be something that would be good for a makeup artist, you know? So they have it like right there to dip into for multiple clients. I don't know why a normal person would want this. So this was an interesting box. So I'm going to, to review, just because this video was a little bit of a mess. So we have the Bella Pierre 12 Color Pro Lip Palette that I'm going to pass along. That is $50. We have the Beauty Blender, which is $20. I will keep that. We have the Brow Glam in Dark Ash Brown. That is $26. I will be passing that along. We have the Balm Powder, which is $20. I will pass that along. And then we have the highlighting palette, which I'm on the fence about. I might keep it. I might not keep it. I don't know. I have to think about it. I do love the packaging of these, though. It's really cute. I like the back of it. It's like they have their little fingerprints right there. So I don't know. This is a maybe. I don't know. I kind of feel like I'm all over the place. I haven't felt very well this weekend, so I do apologize for that. I just kind of feel like I have a foggy head and I can't really put sentences together. That is the word, or that is what I'm looking for. So I apologize for that. But I mean, I think this is a decent box. I think that even though I'm only keeping 2 items, I still think it's a decent box. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep the box at least for a couple of months just to see if it works itself out, and I do end up keeping the majority, but that was it. I hope you guys have a better day than I've been having. Bye.